Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Behind me on the ceiling is this great new ceiling fan that we installed from ocioc. This fan was very easy to install thanks to the really easy to follow instructions. Once it's connected to the ceiling and to the electricity, it automatically connects with the corresponding remote. The remote gives you the option to try out 3 different light settings, depending on how much brightness that you want in the room, or you can go with that yellowish LED, which provides a nice amount of light for the evenings. The fan has 6 speeds, and from 1 all the way up until 6 remains consistently quiet and provides such a great breeze. I also really like that the fan has an option for an automatic shutoff, whether it be 1, 2, or 4 hours. So that way you don't have to wake up and feel too cold because you accidentally left the fan on. For a small space or even for an outdoor space, this fan is perfect. It provides a nice breeze and really well lit lighting so that you can have good visibility at all times during the day. There's nothing really like LED lighting. So if you're looking for the perfect fan for a smaller sized room, this fan is the way to go. It provides such an awesome amount of breeze, even in a small space, even being a small fan. You really cannot go wrong with this fan, but that's just my point of view.